Okay, students, once again, the next topic of Indian economy on the eve of independence, and the next topic is demographic profile under the British rule. Demography is known as the study of population. Study of population. Population की study को demography कहा जाता है, and that can be understand under these four different parts. These four different heads are there to explain the demography of a country. So here we are studying about the demographic profile of India under the British rule. British rule में इंडिया की demographic profile क्या थी? तो first part is death rate and birth rate. Death rate is known as means number of death or birth per thousand of people in a year. If we are talking about death rate, the number of death per thousand of people in a year is known as death rate. And when we are talking about birth rate, the number of birth per thousand of people in a year is known as birth rate. And India at the time of independence, death rate was 40 per thousand and birth rate was 48 per thousand. Next is infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate means death rate of children below the age of 1 year per thousand live birth. एक साल से 1 ईयर की एज से कम बच्चे 1000 में से 1000 लाइव बर्थ में से 1 ईयर कंप्लीट करने से पहले कितने बच्चों की डेथ हो जाती थी, दैट इज नोन एज इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट. यहाँ पर एक चीज़ समझना बहुत जरूरी है. इन्फेंट मीन्स द चिल्ड्रन बिलो द एज ऑफ 1 ईयर. 1 ईयर से कम एज वाले बच्चों को इन्फेंट कहा जाता है. एंड मोर्टेलिटी इज नोन एज डेथ. तो इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रेट the number of children who could not complete the age of 1 year before that they died, that is known as infant mortality rate. And at the time of independence it was 218 children were there who were just died before completing the age of 1 year. And at present it is 30 per thousand. इस समय ये 30 per thousand है. Next is life expectancy. Life expectancy means average life of a person which is expected at the time of birth. बर्थ के टाइम पर किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन की जो एज एक्सपेक्ट की जाती है कि ये एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन कितने टाइम तक जिंदा रहेगा, इसकी लाइफ कितनी होगी, एवरेज लाइफ. पूरी कंट्री में सारे लोगों की एवरेज लाइफ, दैट इज नोन एज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी. एंड दैट वाज 32 years that time, and right now it is 69 years. At the time of independence, when we are talking about 1947, so it was 32 years per thousand, and when we are talking about present, so it is 69 per thousand. And present means here we are talking about 2016. Present means here we are talking about 2016 because after this अभी तक कोई भी updated data available नहीं है. It is given in your new and revised book. So on the basis of that we have to remember this data. Next is literacy rate. Literacy rate means literacy rate shows that person who can read and write. वो लोग जो read and write, who can read and write, जो लिख और पढ़ सकते हैं, they are known as literate. And at the time of independence, on the eve of independence, that was only 16%. 16%. It is reflecting social backwardness as a reflection of economic backwardness. ये शो करता है that हमारी सोसाइटी और इकोनॉमी दोनों ही बहुत बैकवर्ड थी. एंड एट द सेम टाइम 7% फीमेल वर देयर. लिटरेसी रेट में 7% फीमेल, ओनली 7% फीमेल वर देयर, एंड विच इज इंडिकेटिंग जेंडर बायस इन द सोसाइटी. उस समय सोसाइटी में जेंडर बायस था. इट कैन बी सीन बाय दिस 7% फीमेल लिटरेसी रेट.